Hi, my name's Paul Myers. I'm the Managing Director at Farm Urban. So yeah, I'd just like to tell you about some of the benefits of the project that we've embarked upon. Farm Urban is a company that grows produce from vertical farming, so behind the LCEI vertical farming towers. So we grow different salads and herbs and leafy greens indoors using LED lights. So one of the benefits of this is that you can grow all year round, but a requirement of that is that you maintain a steady temperature. So we need to maintain a temperature between 23 and 25 degrees Celsius. And before we have the chamber built, we were having to heat this entire industrial unit. So an awful lot of wasted energy trying to heat a space that was much bigger than the actual growing unit itself. And it's enabled us to purchase this unit, which we've had fabricated bespoke for us. So it's significantly reduced the volume of space that we're having to heat, and significantly reduced our energy requirements. So yeah, it's massively improved efficiencies within the farm, and also improving yields. So as well as reducing energy costs and carbon, it's allowed us to grow more produce, so improved our economics as well. So yeah, it's been a fantastic project.